What is up, everybody? I'm introing this like a new video because I don't know how it's all gonna end up. I just finished the video where I absolutely got my butt kicked by this car, and still am. And then I went on a little rabbit hole of trying to figure out what to do about this float right here. Basically, there is a guy online soldered a repair on this brass. I have the wrong solder and a soldering iron, and we're gonna see what we can do. The only thing that worries me right now is he said to drill a hole in it to drain out whatever is in it. But I don't want the sparks from that drill to ignite the gasoline that's in here. So I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do about that. We might try and hand drill this. I know that sounds ridiculous, but or maybe we just punch a hole in it. Maybe. Back in the day, people used to drill stuff by hand, so. Oh wow. That actually kind of worked. That's amazing. Okay. Well, we didn't really drill it, we more poked the hole open. Unfortunately, it looks like the whole corner of this thing is fractured, which might make it nearly impossible to fix. So that's good. Like I said, this video may never see the light of day anyway. We'll see. We need to get all the gasoline out of there, which is apparently quite a bit. Now the key here is you don't want to add any weight, otherwise it still won't float and you won't fix anything. I think I've got it dried out, hopefully. I'm going to try. I don't have any of the right stuff to be doing this, but if I got to replace this thing anyway, I might as well try it, right? That would be an airplane. Now, I don't know what you guys can and can't see. I also think my battery's about to go dead, so that's fine. I've never attempted anything like this before, so we'll see what happens. I don't think it's going well. Can you tell from over there? I don't have a clue what I'm doing. Because I don't. I think we're going to grab us a glass of water and see what it does. I mean, what am I going to do? Screw it up? It's already there. Okay. We have a glass of water. The simplicity of this test is just to, we'll just put it in there and see if it stays floating. Kind of conveniently, the repair is in the water, so, yeah, I guess you guys just watch and let me know. I'm gonna start cleaning up my mess over there. And we'll know here in a minute if we've got junk, which we already had, or something usable, which we probably won't. Alright guys, we're back. It's been quite a while, a couple hours at least. I made a whole nother video on, where is it? Where's it at? Where? That. My new tool cart. And I let this sit the whole time I was doing that. And I guess we'll see. I can't actually believe it, but it seems like it's been at least 2 hours and there does not appear to be any water. I don't hear any water in it. Surely that did not actually work. Either way, it should have. I think it's going to work temporarily, at least. So, that's awesome. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna hang this thing back on the carb, put the carb back together, and let's see if this thing will fire up and run. Hi. Okay, the carburetor's back together. We're gonna try and start this rig up, but what you're looking for is for fuel to not be rushing out of this orifice right here. If it comes rushing out of there, we have done absolutely no good for ourselves. So, yeah, let's see what happens. Well, we failed again. I don't know what's wrong. It's a mechanical pump, so it shouldn't make enough pressure to override the seat or the needle. I mean, it doesn't make any sense. It's that's how you tune carburetors, right? Let's try that. Okay. Now we're not overfilling our bowl now, but it still won't run. What in the heck is going on today? Why do my days keep going this way? I just want to drive my hot rod, and nothing is working out okay. I have pissed off the hot rodding gods today. I don't know why or how to make it stop. Well, I don't know. We might have fixed, I think we fixed the float. Just based on preliminary tests. It was stuck right at first, but we just gave her the old tap-tap-a-roo. That seems okay now. But now it's like we don't have ignition. So that's fine. But that's going to be a problem for another day. So just a little bit of insight for you guys. I've made 3 videos today. I think. One of these may not be a video. And I have successfully gone backwards all day long. I thought I was pretty close on the alignment this morning. Now I'm pretty far off. The car ran yesterday. Now it doesn't. But hey, got a new tool cart. So that's pretty cool, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna end this one here. You'll know if I do. Or you'll know. I don't know. Whatever. Thanks for watching. Sorry there's been so much defeat lately. But I'm gonna keep working. And I'm gonna get this thing on the road. Somehow. I can't make this up, guys. I turned the camera off. And I was like, I cleaned up a little bit. I'm gonna try it one more time. Just because I don't want to end on a bad note. It's running. I don't know. I think this thing's just got an attitude. But I guess the end result of our float fixes, as of right now, we're dry. So we'll see how long that lasts. But it's gonna get us by for a little while. I'm not gonna recommend anyone fix their float like that. But if you're at a point where you don't really have much to lose, give it a shot. What's the worst that could happen, right? So, anyway, at least she's running again. That makes me happy.